Hello everyone, welcome to Twosome Travelers. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. After a long flight, we are finally in Cyprus, in the city of Larnaca.
And we reached Larnaca today at around 12 noon, and we missed a day in Larnaca.
Our hotel is a bit far from the Larnaca airport, so we opted for public transportation rather than taking shuttle or taxis. When you come to the airport, you will get to see that there are several options for shuttle, buses, public transport, cabs. But for the public transport, there is a separate section called public transport. Don't confuse it with bus, because buses, there are private buses as well, and we are talking about the public buses. Go to the public bus section. When you come out of the airport, you need to come up. There is an overbridge. You need to cross that, and then you will find the bus over there. To make it easier for you, this is the overbridge that you need to cross. The airport is really cute. After crossing the bridge, you will see a lot of bus stops. Confused? Don't worry, we are here to clear that. What we cannot say is which area you exactly plan on staying. Generally, people go to Finicode or Larnaca Marina and then connect to their respective places. So for Finicode, take bus 432 or 425. On the screen it's written the bus timings and everything, it's written over there. There is a huge chart where it's mentioned that there's free Wi-Fi.
And we did some research before coming here, and we knew the bus number, so it was easy for us to just understand what is the route and what is the bus.
Public transport here is very cheap. We covered this distance like from airport to the hotel in just €2.40 per person, and now also again we are waiting for the bus. There's a pass system as well, which unfortunately we did not take it because we could not understand at that point of time. At the airport there was a machine from where you can collect, even that is cheap. So we were waiting for the bus. There is one app, Cybus, right? Yeah, Cybus, something like that. Yeah, so there is that app. So there we were checking, but it was showing there is no bus at this point of time. Almost after 2 hours there's a bus. So we thought, okay, let's go and rent out a bike. There's a rental shop here. We went there. So the price for renting a bike is €37 per day. Calculation is like of 24 hours, but minimum you will have to take it for 48 hours. It's not possible for us to take it for 48 hours because tomorrow we again have a plan of going for a day trip, which you will get to see in my next video. So there's no point of taking it. To rent a bike here, you will have to submit your passport or driving license. So firstly they said that they will be taking our passport, but in case if you're going for day trips will require a passport, so you can request them. They can take your driving license. It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be an international driving license. Your regular license will work. Like for ours it's India, so it's fine. Ultimately, we waited and took a bus to Finicode or Larnaca Marina, costing us €2.40 per person. This is a standard price if you are traveling inside the city. Currently we are at the St. Lazarus Church, which is a late 9th century church situated in Larnaca, Cyprus. There's a history behind this church. It is believed that Jesus raised Lazarus from the dead, and he had to leave Judea because of some kind of plotting to kill him and had to come to Cyprus. Judea is a region in present-day Palestine and Israel. Currently there's a wedding going on inside the church and there's a lot of people here. The reason why we are not going inside, a lot of tourists are coming and they are just going back. They are not going. It's very crowded inside the church, but everybody is dressed very pretty, very beautifully. Kind of we have seen a Cyprus wedding, like unknowingly. complete time. And he was buried here, and the church was built on top of his tomb. The place is very beautiful and peaceful. We just chilled here for really long and it felt so good. Yeah, we could not go inside because of the wedding that's taking place over there. Yeah, from outside it's looking good. यार पता नहीं अब इन लोग का शादी के लिए हम लोग अंदर नहीं जा सकते, क्या करें. Everybody here is dressed so seamlessly, so beautifully, and then the bride will be going out. चलो अब ये भी देख कर ही जाते हैं. Oh, just see. That's the bride and the groom. You can already figure out. The gown is so beautiful. And everyone's saying bye from there. And that is the vidai of Western countries. Right. You get on the car and then you wave a bye. Everybody will hold your gown to help you get inside the car. And bye bye. Finally, after the wedding, we got to go inside the church, but we could not film it because it was not allowed inside, but it's very beautiful. While strolling, we found a mosque here. This mosque looks beautiful. We are not going inside, but from outside it's looking beautiful. Oh, look at the kind of cars. We are at the Lanaka Pier right now and it just feels so good even strolling here. It's a very good place to relax and clean up your mind. Just see here, there are so many love locks here as well. There are a lot of cafes, restaurants and souvenir shops here which we will be checking out but later at night. Now we are going to check cycles, the price of the cycles which we need to hire for tomorrow. So what happened is, like, the place where we are staying, it's very far from the main city, you can say, so that's very far, and tomorrow we have a day trip for which early in the morning we need to leave from there. So around 4:30 or 5 a.m. we need to leave our hotel. The first bus is I think at 7 a.m. so nothing before that, and there's no cab, no facility. Uber doesn't have any service over there, Bolt doesn't have any kind of service over there. Don't book that accommodation, it's very far unless and until you have your private vehicle, or you can rent a car. Don't book that accommodation. And so that's the reason why we are looking for something that how we will come here. So for scooty rent, I told you what happened with the scooty thing. So we are not hiring a scooty, so we are looking for cycles. So almost 13 kilometers is the distance that we need to cover in the morning. So let's see if cycle can help. So you see, you'll have to enter the code. Even cycle wasn't a feasible option because of their app glitch, so we thought of checking out some taxi services and the mini market, mainly selling out souvenirs. Time to eat some food, and we are here at KFC looking for sasta options only. There is a new thing that we saw here while we were eating inside KFC. There were beggars coming and asking for money or food. So generally it does not happen anywhere once you are inside the shop. But see, okay, now again somebody came and asked for money. So poverty is everywhere, or I don't know, because they are not looking like beggars, but they are asking for money. So I'm not sure if this is some kind of a scam or they are like really short of money or food. We were looking for a SIM card, which we finally got from the kiosk. So you will find kiosks like this over here where they will sell out SIM cards. So about the SIM card, let me tell you that there are two packages. Like if you're a tourist and like you're just here for a few days, there are two packages that I would suggest. One is for 20 euros, unlimited internet, and there is another option that is you can buy a SIM for 2 euros and then you can top up with 10 euros. Over there you will get 10 GB of internet, and then the validity depends. If calling is your priority, then you will have to take a different SIM. So we took a one that gives access to the internet. That was more important. Calling, so we don't need it. We are back at the hotel. As I mentioned, tomorrow we have a day trip, and we are not finding anything, literally nothing. So we tried contacting a taxi driver here. So he said that tomorrow he will come, but he did not give us anything, no details of the car or the person who will come, nothing. We cannot even understand what he's saying. It's a problem. So we cannot even understand. The day went pretty well. We have seen few things, and we also saw the Cypriot wedding, which we have never seen, and you can also see in the video that how it is. So yeah, the place and everything, it's really good. We are just a bit worried for tomorrow, but yeah, I think we will figure out. So this vlog will be till here. Tomorrow we will be seeing you in the new vlog. So till then, stay tuned and bye bye.